Well, good morning, guys. It's me, Cali, waking up at the snow cave this morning, or perhaps we'll call it the igloo. You're looking at the sidewalk in front of the cave right now, where the snow is up to the railing. So it's about 3 feet. But don't worry, all is well. Dunkin' Donuts is open, so we know it's not the end of the world. The apocalypse has not come. So I am here this week until we can get out and happily cozy. Tom and I have everything we need here. We've been having a lot of fun, but unfortunately he gets to do all the hard work. So he was not able to get his plow out yesterday. There's literally like 3 feet of snow here. So we're going to wait for the big guys with the big trucks today. And I'll just keep you posted. Literally just chilling here at the cave. But you can see the roads are clear now. But these huge snowbanks. And I hope you guys are all safe and warm and cozy. And I'll see you in a little bit.
Thinking about the times you drove in my car. Thinking that I might have drove you too far.
Okay, guys, today's card is the Four of Pentacles. And you could see Tom uses a Rider-Waite deck, but this is the Radiant version, which is basically the same artwork, but the colors are a lot more vibrant. So I don't have my book with me today, so I'm reading from an app called Galaxy Tarot. Very cool. Totally recommend it. So it says, the Four of Pentacles, stable, cautious, protecting resources, boundaries, saving. When this card appears, matters of security and control are paramount. You have reached a point where you feel secure with your resources, but you don't want to chance anything. You're holding tight to what you have and refusing to move from your position of control. You may be protecting your money, your job, your time, your home or possessions, or your material body. And then this indicates that you have a firm foundation. At this time, sitting firmly may be exactly the right thing to do. As you move into the future, you'll have to decide whether you'd like to stay where you are or use your foundation to continue building. So that's our card today. Tom's going out to plow some snow. It's snowing again. Here's a better view of out front, you guys. This is actually the security camera. I'm in Tom's living room looking out front. And he's outside right now trying to dig out his plow. And like I said, there's going to be a couple guys coming over in a little while with a big plow. But all the plows are busy today. Oh, yes, there you go. And you can't tell here on the video, but it's actually snowing again. So we've gotten our whole entire winter in the last 2 days. And, you know, I wish I could help. I can't. I'm stuck inside here. But Tom's out doing his work, and everybody's been super helpful. And, but yeah, the great-grandkids will be talking about, you know, oh, the blizzard of 17. Oh, should we try to watch this guy get out? He'll be all right. He got stuck yesterday. So everybody's doing the best they can. My kids are good. Everybody's safe and warm. So that's all you can hope for. And I hope you guys are too. See you in a little while. Okay, I'm just puttering around, getting dressed. Tom just called from outside. He's still waiting for those plow guys. So he's going to walk next door to Dunkin' Donuts and get some coffee and some hash browns. He's such a sweetie bear. I'll show you some more. You know, he's my hero. He's out there busting his butt, plowing and snow shoveling and all this stuff, and still goes to get some Dunkin' Donuts. Yeah, hello. Mocha macchiato with almond milk and some hash browns. Yeah, gone are the days when I can actually eat a donut at Dunkin' Donuts. But that's okay. I'm not complaining because look. Do 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 do. You know how much I love them. Yummy. Okay, Tom's out playing with the plow guys, and I was just about getting ready to put some makeup on, and I said, why don't I show you guys what I'm using? Including my brushes, which I'm kind of embarrassed. They're so dirty. But this is an e.l.f. brush roll, and this is a combination of e.l.f. and Real Techniques brushes. And maybe I'll clean them today. That's a good idea, Cali. Anyway, all this makeup is vegan and cruelty-free, and I recommend it. So this is some Physician Formula organic wear. It's a tinted, like, BB cream, moisturizer, you know, foundation. This one's in light to medium, SPF 40. A little goes a long way. I use, you can see, this is well loved. Time to get a new one. This is also Physicians Formula Mineral Wear Talc-Free Face Powder. This is in Creamy Natural. I love this stuff. Time to get some more. This is my Holy Grail. I think this was recommended, or I heard it recommended by Tati, Glam Life Guru, maybe 3 or 4 years ago, and I haven't stopped wearing it since. It's good for any skin type, color, even if you think you're too light. This stuff is great. So, perfect bronzer, blusher. Is this a, let's see, this one's in medium to dark, and obviously they have light to medium. And I probably could get away with light to medium, but anyway. My well-loved Naked palette. I also have Naked 2. This one, you can see, is just, I'm down to pan on many, many. This original Naked shade was one of my very favorites. I use Buck a lot as a transition color. And I'm more of a matte girl than a shiny metallic girl, but yeah, I also really, really loved the Naked Basics palette, so I may get another one of those. And even though the palettes are pricey, it works out to be about $5 in eyeshadow, which is not bad. So, depends on, you know, it lasts a long time. And also, I think I told you, I've bought these individual ones. This is Carbon Black. Excuse the phone. Hang on, I'll be right back. Okay, where were we? It's busy around here today. Yeah, I use this to line my eyes with and smudge it. I like a softer outline around my eye. But if I do want a little more va-va-voom, I will use this. This is an Urban Decay pencil in Perversion, which is their version of black. And it's waterproof and lasts a long time. And I'll rim my eyes with this and smudge it out, and sometimes I'll even go over it with a little bit of this on a liner brush. And speaking of brushes, this is my e.l.f. eyebrow wax, and I don't even, look at this. You guys, is it time for me to go shopping for some new makeup? Yeah, but this stuff was amazing. It had a wax and the powder, and it's just to color your brows a little bit. And this is a new mascara for me. This is new from Wet n Wild. This is their Max Volume Plus in black. I always get black. And I do prefer a waterproof formula. This is not waterproof, but it doesn't flake all over the place, and you don't wake up looking like a raccoon if you forget to take it off like I normally do. But yeah, I recommend it. I think maybe it was $4, and so far, I don't know if I can open this. Oh, look at me. I'm just a pro. I had no intentions of showing this stuff to you guys today. Here's the brush. So nothing spectacular, but it works great. So yeah, there you have it. Okay, I am going to finish putting my face on, and I'll see you back here when that's done. I brought the Birchbox over from that I opened last week. Remember, it's right here, actually. And I did check on the products in there, and I'll talk about that in a minute. So, see you in a minute. Well, he got the Jeep free. I don't know how this is going to go. He's going to be out there all day. Wow. I'm glad I didn't bring my car over here, because it would be one more thing. You go, baby. Oh, man. You guys, we are not alone. This is upstate New York today. And yes, it's still flurrying out. We're supposed to get another 2 to 4 inches. And there's probably at least 30 out there. I don't know. I didn't go out. But that's what Tom said. Boom. Yeah. Be careful out there, guys. And he's stuck again. Oh, man. He'll be getting some help soon. I wish I could help him. It's really frustrating, you guys. The only time I hate being disabled is not being able to help. But I'll keep his coffee warm anyway. Yeah, be safe out there if you guys are dealing with this stuff. We're supposed to get another 2 to 4 inches, so. And he got free. But boy, there's a lot of snow to plow out there. Spring's right around the corner, right? Any minute now, right? Yeah. Blessed and thankful for every day, you know? We're not guaranteed next spring, so I'll take this one, however cold and full of snow it might be. See you in a little bit. And if you guys haven't checked out this month's Gypsy and Witch projects, this is the one that I did for this month. And I'm showing you the actual picture I posted on Facebook because the tile itself is at home in the nest. I finished it quickly on Tuesday because I knew the snow was coming, so I was happy to be able to get it done and posted, and I've gotten a great reaction from it. So I'll put a link to the video below if you haven't checked it out yet, and I hope you guys give this project a try. It was really easy, and I had a lot of fun making it, so let me know what you think. And yeah, let's do that Birchbox review. Well, hello there. I think this is the first time I've seen you today. I don't know why I said Birchbox review, because we already did the Birchbox review. What I went, because I have nothing better to do with my time, I went on leapingbunny.org to check and see if the items I got in my Birchbox were vegan and or cruelty-free, hopefully all of the above. And alas, I'll show you that in a second. Every single one of these are not, with the exception, I'm not sure about this Tokyo Milk perfume sample. I actually sent these guys a message on their Facebook page, and that was like maybe 4 hours ago, and I haven't heard back from them. I'm sure they're busy, but if I do hear back, and they are vegan or cruelty-free, I will let you know. But as of right now, I won't be using it. And yeah, everything in the box. I had already told you that the benefit, their real mascara is not. This beauty protection, hair protectant is not. Everything in the box. The Cargo Bronzer, which I love this packaging. And I told you I'll pass these along to my daughters. Rather than just throw them out. And I still get a kick out of this hydrogen water for $32. So, come on, Birchbox. It would be great if you could have some more, you know, cruelty-free items. Again, they don't promote themselves to be that, but I don't see why in this day and age they couldn't. And the only other thing I threw in the box is, I wanted to show you this. I ordered, had talked about doing crazy quilting, and I got my muslin and everything, and I'm ready to go. It's just with the snow, it kind of slowed us down this week, but I ordered some trims, and I wanted to laugh because this is one of the disadvantages of ordering things online. I ordered this purple rickrack trim. Can you see? There you go. And maybe I'm out of touch. I don't know. But this is 2 yards of trim, so 6 feet of trim, and it was like $10. Isn't that a little pricey? I thought I was going to get this big package of it, but nope. There you go. I can make a headband out of it if I want. I used to wear in high school. This was the look I sported all the time. Some things never change, but I was kind of disappointed. I don't know. So sometimes it is better to be able to be in the store and touch and feel and see how much you're getting. Or maybe it's just been that long since I bought these kinds of sewing notions and they are that expensive. But let me know. I think that's all I have to show you guys today. Listen, it's a short vlog. I'm not going to do any cooking. We're either going to eat out or we'll eat some quick and easy something at home here. But I know you understand. And I hope you guys are all warm and safe and made it through this blizzard of 2017. Okay, I know, I have friends all over the world now, and people are just like, oh, it's 75 and balmy here. So I hope you guys are safe and warm. And I love you so much. And I have a bunch of projects circulating in my mind, so that could be scary, but have some ideas. So stay tuned. You know you'll be hearing from me soon. Peace and love, and have a beautiful week. Give me a thumbs up. Check out all my social media links below, and God knows you need to follow me everywhere, right? I love you guys so much. Blessed be. I'll talk to you soon. Take care. Okay, guys, just as an addendum, I'm super impressed. I did hear back from Tokyo Milk on Facebook, and I'm happy to report that they do not test their products on animals. They say they test them extensively on themselves. So that's really cool. And I did enjoy that perfume. That was Tokyo Milk Dark. So go Tokyo Milk. And go Birchbox for including a vegan product. Look at that. All right. Peace and love. Bye. And in case you guys ever need instructions for life, you can refer back to these. These are from the Dalai Lama. It says, number 1, take into account that great love and great achievements involve great risk. Number 2, when you lose, don't lose the lesson. Number 3, follow the 3 R's, respect for self, respect for others, and responsibility for all of your actions. Number 4, remember that not getting what you want is sometimes a wonderful stroke of luck. Number 5, learn the rules so you know how to break them properly. Number 6, don't let a little dispute injure a great friendship. Number 7, when you realize you've made a mistake, take immediate steps to correct it. Number 8, spend some time alone every day. Number 9, open your arms to change, but don't let go of your values. Number 10, remember that silence is sometimes the best answer. Number 11, live a good, honorable life. Then, when you get older and think back, you'll be able to enjoy it a second time. Number 12, a loving atmosphere in your home is the foundation for your life. Number 13, in disagreements with loved ones, deal only with the current situation. Don't bring up the past. Number 14, share your knowledge. It's a way to achieve immortality. Number 15, be gentle with the earth. Number 16, once a year, go someplace you've never been before. Number 17, remember that the best relationship is one in which your love for each other exceeds your need for each other. Number 18, judge your success by what you had to give up in order to get it. Number 19, approach love and cooking with reckless abandon. Isn't that wonderful?